Lately, I had to ask myself, is this RC hobby even worth it? It could be some hazards out here. This hobby is not cheap, and if you're trying to keep up with the Joneses, forget about it. I mean, the required cars, the updated parts, batteries, tires, chargers. Come on, man. And don't get me started on repairs. Man, I got so many friends that love to help me break my rig. I feel like the cost is adding up quickly. But you know, every time I hit the throttle, it's absolutely worth it. The build, the challenges, the community, the insane adrenaline rush when it all comes together. But like the thumbnail suggests, anytime I get bored, I go and grab Bo and Luke, the Kraton boys, and just go outside and start thrashing them. I would say though, if you want to save a little money, you're going to have to learn how to wrench on your own car. I've owned my Kratons for over 2 years now. I liked it so much I bought it twice. Every jump, every crash, every slow motion shot, it brings back that great feeling inside, man. That adrenaline that just keeps going when you pull the daggone throttle. Love it. And when you're in the middle of this tumble-wumble here, you hoping and wishing you land on all fours, because you know you got to go get it if it goes upside down. Now this monster has the Castle 1717 in it. Now hit it. The paddles are always epic. Be mindful of your drivetrain, but if you're going to wrench on your own cars, no worries. Now hit it. That red and black colorway is sick, man. Now hit it. Hit it. Where you going? Where you going? Luckily, I'm like 6 for 6. I've never been hit yet, but man, I feel lucky like a cat. That means what? I got 3 lives left. And for whatever reason, I just popped out my front dog bone. But lucky for me, I got my bingo bag with me. But all we have to do now is remove this pin, move the A-arm, pop the dog bone back in, reassemble the pin, back in business, tap me back in, coach, I'm ready. The truth is, RC is way cheaper than therapy and way more fun than golf. Build it, break it, fix it, bash it again. It's basically Legos for adults, but with horsepower. So yeah, in the end, it's worth it. But I would suggest, don't add up the receipts. Use water displacement formula 40 sparingly. Pro tip 4080. Clean your rigs after a bash, people. This way you get the inspected damage before your next run. And if you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. From 57.